An even number is a number that is divisible by 2. Numbers like 2, 4, 6 and so on are even numbers. Then what are odd numbers? They are numbers which are not divisible by 2. Numbers like 1, 3, 5 and so on. How does GMAT make this topic interesting? Trust me, there are many ways. Look at this question for instance. 4 is a factor of x. Is x even? And suddenly a simple topic looks confusing. It's simple. All we really need to do is read the question well and decode it. The number 4 can be reduced to 2 times 2. Based on the factor tree approach we had seen, we can say that if 4 is a factor of x and 2 is a factor of 4, then 2 will also be a factor of x. It means x is divisible by 2, which tells us that x is even. Or we can probably say that if x is divisible by a multiple of 2, then x is surely even. Here's another one. Y is equal to 34 times n, where n is a natural number. Is y odd? Look at the number 34. Reducing it to its prime factors, it can be written as 2 times 17. So 34n will be 2 times 17 times something. What does this tell us? We can be sure that it is divisible by 2 no matter what that something is. Y will surely be divisible by 2. Or we can also say that y is a multiple of 2. In any case, we can be sure that y is even and not odd. Do we get special results when we add or subtract odd and even numbers? Let's look at addition first. Look at it logically. Only 3 cases can exist: even plus even, odd plus odd, or even plus odd. For each of these 3 cases, there can be 3 possibilities. We may get an even number or an odd number, or maybe get nothing specific at all. An even plus even example would be something like 2 plus 4. Even plus even. We get a 6, which is an even number. Let's say we add 6 and 10, which are even numbers. We get 16, which is an even number. No matter what even numbers you consider, their sum will always be even. What about odd plus odd? Look at these 2 examples. 1 plus 3 and 5 plus 7. Both cases gave us an even number. Addition of odd numbers will also result in an even number. Even plus odd. Here are a couple of examples for even plus odd. Yes, both result in an odd number. Will it be different for subtraction? For subtraction as well, there will be 3 cases: even minus even, odd minus odd, and even minus odd. An example of even minus even would be 6 minus 2. That gives us 4. Or 12 minus 6, which also gives us an even number. Even minus even will always give us an even number. And you can see that odd minus odd will also give us an even number. Look at the even minus odd examples. Both result in an odd number. And odd minus even will also result in an odd number. This tells us that when we add or subtract the same type of numbers, we will get an even number. However, if we perform addition or subtraction on 2 different types of numbers, we will arrive upon an odd number.